Hi, welcome to Fun Friday. I'm so glad that you're here with me today, and I just want to tell you that when you come back, as many of you are, I'm so happy to tell you that we have a safe environment for you to come back to, and we look forward to your joining us here in school again. Today we're going to be making colored salt jars, and the items that you will need for this project would be a jar of your choice. I have a large one and a small one as a sample. You will need some salt, some food coloring. I have a couple of different varieties to give you an example. Either one will work. Some plastic sandwich baggies, a funnel, a spoon, and I have some cups so that I can divide my colors into different cups. These are the items that you will need for our project that we're doing today. The first step is to add our salt to a cup, and yours might be a little bit different than mine depending on the size of your jar. So I've added my salt. This is about the amount that I will need for my jar. And I will do this for each color. I will be using 5 different colors. I'm going to pour this into a sandwich baggie. And this is to help to keep the mess into the bag. An easy place for you to mix your colors. I'm choosing purple, and I'm just going to use about 4 drops of food coloring. And as you go along, if you find that it is not enough, you can always add more to the desired coloring. So once I have my color in there, I am going to mix it in. And we're seeing that this is starting to turn purple. It will take a few moments to mix all of that color in. And if this is not the desired color that you would like, as I say, feel free to add some more food coloring. I think I'm going to add just 1 more drop. Make it a little bit darker. Okay. Close it back up again to keep all that salt inside, to keep your mess in the bag. And then once I have all of that mixed up, I'm going to pour it into my cup. And I will do this for each of my desired colors. Okay, I have all of my colors mixed with about 4 to 6 drops of my food coloring, depending on how dark you would like it. Now I'm going to add my colors, my colored salt to each one of these cups that I have so that I can spoon them into my jar. And I'm just gonna kind of wiggle it around. It does fluff up just a little bit. Okay, now I'm ready to add my colors to my jar. I'm so excited to see how this is going to turn out. I'm going to put my funnel here, and then I am going to spoon in my desired amount of color. And feel free to recycle a jar that you may have at home. Don't feel that you need to go out and purchase one. And I'm going to tilt mine a bit to the side to give it a bit of like a drift. And I'm going to move on to my next color. Now that we've funneled all of our colors into the jar, now I'm going to add my lid. And I have a lovely colored salt jar. So you can feel free to give this as a gift to a family member or friend, or maybe display it in your home. I hope that you have enjoyed making this craft with me today, and I look forward to you sending me your completed colored salt jar. Have a wonderful day.